Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sunny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix thumbnails not showing in Windows 11. So, if your photos, videos, or other files are only showing blank icons instead of thumbnail previews, here are a few simple fixes you can try. First, open File Explorer. At the top of the window, click the three dots, then select Options. Once Folder Options opens, click the View tab. Look for the option called Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails. Make sure this option is unchecked. Then click Apply and OK. Go back to your folder and check whether your thumbnails are now showing. If they're still missing, the next thing we're going to do is clear the thumbnail cache. Open the Start menu and search for Disk Cleanup. Open Disk Cleanup. Select your Windows drive, which is usually the C drive, and click OK. Wait for Windows to calculate the files that can be removed. In the list, find Thumbnails. If you only want to rebuild the thumbnail cache, you can uncheck the other options and leave Thumbnails selected. Then click OK and choose Delete Files. Windows will delete the existing thumbnail cache and automatically create new thumbnails as you browse your files. Open File Explorer again and check whether the previews are working. If thumbnails are still not showing, there's one more setting you can check. Open the Start menu and search for View Advanced System Settings. Open it. Under the Advanced tab, find the Performance section and click Settings. Look through the visual effects and make sure Show Thumbnails instead of icons is enabled. Click Apply, then click OK. You can now return to File Explorer and check your files again. In most cases, one of these methods should restore your missing image and video thumbnails. And that's how to fix thumbnails not showing in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to How To with Sunny for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.